It's us again, guys. We have a package for Shania, who is our regular shopper. Now, before I hand the package to you, I want to give you a little bit of information about one of our promotions. Do you know about our dollar day promotion?
No.
All right. Now, our dollar day promotion is where we give you the option of sending your packages. Well, not the option of sending your packages. We allow you to pay $1 for shipping for packages that come in plastic envelope or paper envelopes. So like this would be perfect. $1 you'd pay for shipping for this. And of course you can come from any one of your suppliers. Forever 21, Sheen, Shop, you know?
Yeah.
Any one of those. And we have to receive your package though between April 28th and May 3rd.
Okay.
Once we receive it within that time, then you're good. You meet all the other parameters. Check us out on the website. You can see more about all the conditions. So that is your package.
Thank
And I know
you.
you've been waiting. And I hope I reach within the time that you wanted me
Thank
to
you
reach.
very much.
I did.
Yes.
Alright, good. Anything you can say to us or say to the audience about? What do you think about us though?
I think it's good service and fast shipping, got here in time, and you know, you guys listened to my concerns.
Okay, good,
yes,
good, good.
And got the coupon, because there's a coupon for the shipping.
Right, that's how you got it, right.
Yes.
Alright, good stuff, good stuff. And remember to refer a friend. Always refer a friend or family by putting your mailbox number there and give it to them and let them contact us via
No
that number.
problem.
Alright? Good doing business with you and looking
Thanks.
forward to doing more business.
Thanks.
Alright? And remember, dollar day, you need to be a part of it. Dollar day promotion.